Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we embark on an exhilarating journey into the heart of innovation as we delve into the much-anticipated unveiling of the Nothing Phone 2A. Brace yourselves for an immersive and comprehensive review that promises to unravel the mysteries surrounding this groundbreaking device. In a world dominated by technological advancements, nothing emerges as a beacon of ingenuity, challenging the status quo with its bold vision and cutting-edge design. With the Nothing Phone 2A, the boundaries of possibility are pushed to new horizons, offering users an unparalleled experience that transcends the ordinary. Join us as we meticulously dissect every aspect of this remarkable smartphone, from its sleek aesthetics to its powerful performance capabilities. From the moment you hold it in your hand, you'll feel the weight of innovation and the promise of a transformative user experience. But our exploration doesn't stop there. We'll venture beneath the surface to uncover the intricate details of the Nothing Phone 2A's features, functionalities, and technological marvels. From its revolutionary camera system to its lightning-fast processor, every component is meticulously crafted to elevate your mobile experience to unprecedented heights. So buckle up and prepare to be captivated as we embark on this exhilarating journey of discovery. This is the ultimate guide to the Nothing Phone 2A, where innovation knows no bounds and possibilities are limitless. Let's dive in. Design Build. The design and build of the Nothing Phone 2 present a visual showcase that immediately captures the eye. With its distinctive transparent back, the phone stands out, offering a glimpse into its inner workings. However, notable changes distinguish this iteration from its predecessors. The shift from glass to plastic and the reduction of the iconic glyph lights to 3 signals a departure from convention. While some may bemoan the move away from premium materials, the transition to plastic brings its own set of advantages. The phone gains a lighter and more tactile feel, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Additionally, the matte finish on the frame not only adds to the device's aesthetic appeal, but also serves a practical purpose by repelling fingerprints, keeping the phone looking clean and sleek. Despite the departure from opulent materials, the Nothing Phone 2 maintains its ability to turn heads with its unique aesthetics. Its design speaks to a balance between form and function, offering users a device that not only looks great but also feels great to use. In a market saturated with uniform designs, the Nothing Phone 2A stands as a refreshing departure, inviting users to embrace innovation and individuality. Display Performance. Venturing into the realm of display and performance, the Nothing Phone 2 showcases its remarkable capabilities. The centerpiece of its appeal is the stunning 120Hz OLED display, which delivers a luminous and fluid visual experience. Whether you're engrossed in multimedia content or casually scrolling through social media feeds, the display offers immersion like never before. However, some users may find the full HD resolution somewhat lacking in comparison to higher pixel densities found in premium devices. Beneath its sleek exterior, the Nothing Phone is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro processor. While it may not match the prowess of flagship chipsets, this processor proves more than capable of handling everyday tasks with ease. From browsing the web to engaging in modest gaming sessions, the phone delivers commendable performance suitable for the average user. Overall, the Nothing Phone strikes a balance between visual excellence and functional efficiency. Its captivating display enhances the user experience, while the capable processor ensures smooth operation in various scenarios. While it may not cater to power users seeking top-of-the-line specifications, it certainly fulfills the needs of those looking for a reliable and enjoyable smartphone experience. Software cameras. A shining beacon of the Nothing Phone 2A is its software prowess. Running on Nothing OS 2.5 based on Android 14, the device epitomizes cleanliness and efficiency, devoid of bloatware clutter. With the promise of 3 years of OS updates, it ensures a seamless user experience with fluid animations and responsive navigation. Transitioning to its camera capabilities, the Nothing Phone 2 presents a mixed bag. While proficient in well-lit environments, its performance wanes in low-light conditions. Furthermore, the absence of a telephoto lens restricts zooming capabilities, compromising versatility. battery life. Embarking on a journey through the day, the Nothing Phone 2 relies on a robust 5,000 mAh battery delivering enduring stamina. With a single charge, it effortlessly powers through a full day's usage with ample reserves for evening endeavors. Additionally, the device supports fast charging, enabling swift replenishment during moments of depletion. The design and build of the Nothing Phone 2 present a visual showcase that immediately captures the eye. With its distinctive transparent back, the phone stands out, offering a glimpse into its inner workings. However, notable changes distinguish this iteration from its predecessors: the shift from glass to plastic and the reduction of the iconic glyph lights to 3 signals a departure from convention. While some may bemoan the move away from premium materials, the transition to plastic brings its own set of advantages. The phone gains a lighter and more tactile feel, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Additionally, the matte finish on the frame not only adds to the device's aesthetic appeal but also serves a practical purpose by repelling fingerprints, keeping the phone looking clean and sleek. Despite the departure from opulent materials, the Nothing Phone 2 maintains its ability to turn heads with its unique aesthetics. Its design speaks to a balance between form and function, offering users a device that not only looks great but also feels great to use. In a market saturated with uniform designs, the Nothing Phone 2 stands as a refreshing departure, inviting users to embrace innovation and individuality. In conclusion, the Nothing Phone 2 emerges as a compelling proposition for a specific demographic. For those seeking a distinctively designed device coupled with a streamlined software experience and commendable battery longevity, it proves a worthy contender. However, individuals prioritizing elite performance or photography prowess may find themselves seeking alternative options. Nevertheless, at its price point, the Nothing Phone 2 presents a tantalizing blend of innovation and affordability, catering to budget-conscious consumers seeking to depart from the conventional. Thanks for joining us today as we delved into the exciting world of innovation with the Nothing Phone 2A. We hope you enjoyed uncovering the cutting-edge features and possibilities this revolutionary device has to offer. If you're as hyped about the Nothing Phone 2A as we are, don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button and hitting subscribe to stay in the loop on all things tech. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Now, we want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts and questions about the Nothing Phone 2A in the comments below. Are you eagerly awaiting its release, or do you have burning questions about its specifications and functionalities? Whatever it is, we're all ears. In a rapidly evolving technological landscape, products like the Nothing Phone 2A are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So make sure you stay connected with us for more insights, reviews, and unboxings of the hottest gadgets and trends hitting the market. We couldn't do this without you, our incredible tech-savvy community. Together, we're exploring the endless possibilities that technology has to offer, and we're thrilled to have you along for the ride. Until next time, keep innovating, stay curious, and remember, the future is ours to shape. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.